Being a Pulp Riot educator means so much to me. I have been doing hair for about 17 years and have always wanted to be an educator. Pulp Riot specifically, I've always really loved creative color, and this was one of the first lines that really brought that into the world. My name is Dara Quick, and this is the Cosmic Collection. I've been an educator for about 3 years. I got called on during COVID, which was a really crazy time. So it was this little highlight to a pretty dark time in my life, and I was just so excited to start this new adventure. Vivid hair color means a lot to me. I love doing all hair, but I've always gravitated towards the more colorful end of the spectrum, and in the beginning of my career that wasn't super accepted. I was the person who did the weird hair in the salon, and now I own a salon that does the weird hair. I feel like Pulp Riot is a really big part of why that is even accepted in our world so much these days. Ended up opening my salon called She Comes in Peace, which has just been an incredible adventure. I just really love space, and I've always joked that I'm an alien, and I've always been really excited and interested in hair color formulation. And if I could, I would have started my own color company, but I feel like Pulp Riot is that company. It's what I would have done, so I was just really excited to be on board and help contribute in a creative way. My creative process is a little all over the place, but that's also because I'm not just a stylist. I feel like I'm a maker of things, and hair just is one of the things that I create. My inspiration for this collection was really just my favorite colors on the planet. And I feel like a few of them were missing in my palette of what I could produce, and this fills in the gap. The way that I would describe this collection is futuristic, otherworldly, and I feel like they're all different planets from the same galaxy. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands in these colors. I think you're gonna be so excited about the new shades. Please tag me. I am Alien Hair Magic. You can tag Pulp Riot. I would just love to see what y'all do with these new shades.